Um, Hello, so today I'm gonna show you how to make a coffee from the delonghi coffee machine. Mine is quite a long time ago. So first of all, you need to check if you had enough water in the tank on the back here. So it can be filled with the tap water. I use the tap water, should be fine. And turn it on. And you have to wait until the light here show green. Green light means okay. And you put some coffee on here first. It should be the ground coffee, and put it here. So the coffee will be very thick and no water really. Normally I will do the coffee first and the milk later. I use the whole milk, but today this time I will froth the milk first and then the coffee on later. So turn it on. You see, this is the steam. You hear the boiling sound from the machine to make up for the one here. I had to wait until it show okay. And how about the temperature in the milk? I recommend you use a thermometer, and it must be around 55 degrees Celsius, should be fine. And don't make it very hot because the milk will not very good after 70 degrees. Let the air out. Turn it to maximum. If you don't have this one, you can leave your hand here, and when you feel it very hot, it means that milk is okay. You can hear the hissing sound. This is from the black one here. Okay, it's ready. And here we go, the coffee. And then this trim up and the coffee on. Turn up the machine. You can see there are so many purples inside here, so the way to get rid of is swirl and tap on the surface here. Okay, and pour it in the coffee. I'm not a barista, so the art is horrible, but just look how you can make the coffee at home.